yeah, boy. Get him, Will. Get him. Get him. Brandon, give it gas. Give it gas. Help him out. Keep the tension. Okay, hold up a little bit, Brandon. Don't let him get you on the rock. Give it gas, Brandon. He's on the back side of that rock. As long as he don't get Will up on something. Got that on GoPro. Good job, Will. You got the line management good. Yeah, Beto's Mitch. No, Beto made it up. That's Beto's Mitch. You might need to get back a little bit, Brandon, so don't fight the flow as much, you know what I'm saying? I didn't bring the good gel net. That makes it easy. I know, it is good. That's a good find, Brandon. Big old rainbow, ain't it? God. Big old pig. He's pretty thick, isn't he? Been gorging on those sulfurs. Oh my God! Oh! Oh! Oh no! Get away! Get away! Yeah. No! That was a shark trying to come get him. Oh, Jesus. He about had him, did he? I scared it off with smacking the water. No, he'll break rod wheels. He'll break his stuff, man. He'll break his whole rod and everything. He was trying, wasn't it? That was Jaws.
He would have ate that something.
Oh, I know. That was insane.